So I'm taking a look at eVAL again, and I'm going to look at adding an artifact that is a website. So what you have not seen me do is I've already gone to my Google Drive and I've made a Google document. I've given it a title here. I've started the Google document with all my wonderful information. Yes, I know everything else is blank because I can put this website into my eval artifacts and the website will grow and change, but the link that I put here is the same. So here's how. First, make the Google Doc. Second, give it that title that makes sense for the work you're doing. And then leave room for your work, whether that be communication log, whether that be running records, student information, student contact, notes from parent-teacher conferences, etc. Over here, you're going to see a share button. I'm going to recommend that you take that share button and you actually make it to where anyone with the link can view. You can also choose to have anyone in your organization can view. Now, the reason I think that is okay, even though there's student information there, is because you are going to place this link in a secure location, eval. Only you and your evaluator have access to it. So you've already clicked that add artifact. Next, you're going to give it that title that makes sense, knowing that you only have so many characters to use. You're going to click add website, and that shared link that you copied, you are going to click here and paste that shared link. You could give it the same title that makes sense, because then it shows up instead of that docs.google.com, etc., etc. Click OK or done, excuse me, and then start selecting what makes sense. What does this show for Danielson's domain and the components that are here? Does this connect to a student growth goal that you have? Is it all done? Click done. Again, I always recommend put one or two sentences here that says, I put this here because I think this is evidence showing whatever is the connection. Give your thinking there so that the evaluator can begin to go to a yes no agreement. Yes, I agree that that is an example of, or no, I disagree. And then get to the actual evaluation of like, is it showing distinguished? Is it showing proficient, etc. So again, the adding website has several steps to it, but that link, notice that here it says work will be done. I've now deleted that and put other words. But when I close this, if I click on this link that goes to it, notice it goes and shows other words, not the work that would be there originally, because it's dynamic. That website link is the same link, but the material can be changed over time. So eval, add a website.